I just received this Huepar self-leveling laser. I ordered it the other day from Amazon. I paid $50 before tax, and I'm gonna open it for the first time now and see what's inside the package. I'll do it with one hand while holding the phone with the other one. Okay. So it comes in this nice small package box, which is soft and not very heavy. This is the manual, and let's unzip it here. Okay, so first thing we see is, I believe that this is what you measure outside. I believe in the sun, when it's too bright and you can't see the line, this is what shows the line. Okay, well, it comes with 4 batteries, and this has to be the device itself, and this has to be the stand. So there are 2 magnets. So this probably screws on the bottom of the unit. Okay, so let's see the level itself. So this is it. You can see the top is for vertical and the bottom is for horizontal line. This is probably on and off. This is the bottom. It can be attached to a tripod. And this is where the batteries should go, inside here. This is just a cover. Oh, actually, this is where we turn it on. So let's see if probably it won't turn on because it doesn't have any batteries. Oh, probably, yeah, this is how you open it. Let me put in the batteries and test it out. Okay, so I got the batteries in here, and let's see, I'm gonna put them all in for the first time, turn it on and see if it's gonna work. Now you probably already guessed, I've never had a unit like this before. This is my first time. So let's see. I'm gonna press the power button. And nothing happens. See, I don't even know. I haven't read. I believe that this is self-leveling, and you can adjust the self-level from with this or lock it. So regardless, it should start on when you press, but it doesn't. Let's see, maybe I need to hold it longer. No, or maybe not hold it. Well, it doesn't want to power on. Let's open and see if I put the batteries correctly. Okay, so I didn't put the batteries correctly. I saw those springs and I assumed that the negative goes on the bottom, but here on the cover it showed minus and plus. So let's do that. So this is minus, this is plus. The other one is plus on the inside and minus. Okay, this should be the correct order. Okay, let's see now. Yes, it works. So I have this lines. It's right now it flushes because it is locked. If you can see, it is locked. So I'm gonna unlock it. So it should level itself. See how it levels itself. Let's see what's gonna happen if I press the button here. Oh, now it's horizontal only. Now it's vertical. Oh, there are two. Okay, it just switches. Well, that's pretty simple. What's gonna happen if I hold it? Oh, it's dimming. Let's do it again. So that's probably to preserve the batteries. What happens is when I press on this button here, the laser becomes a little bit weaker, and then it go back to brightness, full brightness. So that's it. It looks like it's pretty simple to operate, and I like it so far. It is very bright. The laser is very bright, and I can see it very well. It's just, yeah, very visible. Well, that's it. This improvised unboxing and review of the Huepar Box 1G. Again, I bought it off of Amazon. I paid $50 before taxes.